Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it just yesterday on Tuesday, and that is where the green and orange line here is coming from. And I mean, we have an example here as far as charts are concerned that you could literally throw into a textbook. I put this trend line in place, talked about it as being the key breakout point. You can see that this morning it did indeed break above it, and a very, very nice move from that breakout. And then there was the pullback, and this is a classic example of a technical pattern, back test, if you've ever heard that term. And you can see the price pulled back, and not once but twice, found some support right at that former breakout point, and then started to work its way back upwards. So a nice little technical pattern there and some great technical movement. But as far as I'm concerned, this line has played its role. And I'm also going to adjust this level up here to now be what I would call the ideal level of support at 360. Ideal meaning, if you say, Clay, Clay won't make this chart look the absolute best going forward. 360, definitely going to be the best case scenario. With that being said, if the price falls below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything else. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 360 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, well, once again, we have the newest resistance trend line in play here. So as I've talked about in past videos, it's all about that trend line. Get a high volume break of that, and no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially make a run up to $4, maybe even beyond. But again, it all starts with the high volume break of that level there. But price keeps on putting in those higher lows, and that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.